Welcome to Investing Basics 101, the 50% people ignore. To begin, are you able to answer the following simple yet essential questions about investing? They are: when you buy a stock, do you know how many units of the stock you should buy? Do you know when you should sell to take a profit or cut a loss? Do you know how to deal with the emotions that can arise from investing, such as anger or fear? In this course, I will address the above issues and many more others, such as one of the most commonly asked questions: how is investing different from gambling? Here's what you will gain from taking this course. Learn how to approach investing such that you will not get too emotionally involved. Simple and effective risk management tips on how to take calculated risks and make smart investments. Understand how your emotions can affect you before, during, and after investing. At the end of this course, after taking it and following all the strategies, you should be able to approach investing in a calm yet confident manner by deploying the right risk management strategies and listening to your emotions. This course is most suitable for students who find it difficult to achieve consistent success in their investments, or for those students who only understand the technical theory on how to analyze stocks, but have not yet been introduced into the psychological and emotional aspects of investing. If you find that you incur large losses when you invest, or you tend to let your emotions dictate your decision making, this course will benefit you. So wait no longer and sign up right now to make a big improvement to your investing knowledge and ability. And finally, thank you for taking the time to watch this video.